Don't you know the rules of the road? Because if you don't, that can be a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Join our club of responsible drivers and learn how to drive safely, confidently, and without any fines. Today, we're going to practice something that many drivers underestimate: intersection priority. It may look simple at first glance, but in reality, this is where a lot of drivers make serious mistakes. And believe it or not, only a small percentage of our viewers answer this type of question correctly. So, let's test you. Imagine a four-way stop intersection. 3 cars are approaching. Car A is the last car to arrive at the intersection. Here's the question: can car A turn left? Choose one of the following options. Number 1, immediately, because it has the right of way. Number 2, only if the other cars are turning right. Number 3, after it stops and yields to car B and car C. Number 4, after it stops and yields only to car C. Pause the video right now and write your answer in the comments. Don't just guess, think about it. At the end of the video, you'll find out whether you were right. I'll give you 10 seconds. Think carefully. All right, time's up. I hope you had a time to make a choice. Because we're moving on to a breakdown of this task. Here are 3 cars in the picture, coming near to an intersection. Car A is the last car to arrive at the intersection. Car A can turn left after it stops and yields to cars B and C. When vehicles arrive at the four-way stop at different times, they should proceed in the order in which they arrived here. Because car A arrived last, it should proceed last. So the correct answer is number 3. Congrats if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine.